This is Halloween. Salary negotiations. Every single raise in the future, every single benefit to be had that increases some sort of baseline salary for you will be dictated off this initial negotiation. That's serious. So when you're doing a negotiation, think really hard about the number you want. And my best advice is have a range and know that the first number you say in your range should be the lowest number you're willing to take, because that's the number they're going to hear from the. So be ready to give them exactly where you feel comfortable taking the job as is, sans any other benefits. Tips. Negotiate. Invest in yourself. Up your worth. Go upskill. Show me you're worth more money. Be proactive. Don't wait around. Ask for more performance reviews if you have to, if you're already at a job that is stalemated with the salary. Have that open discussion. Be transparent with your manager. Be flexible. Not everything's going to give it to you in a silver platter. If you got to be creative, maybe add on some incentives about if you hit certain milestones, then you get X amount of dollars increase at the next performance meeting, whatever. You can get creative and figure out a way to incentivize your daily accomplishments with your management that may not just be under your key responsibilities. Maybe it's extra projects you take on, but whatever it is, you're showing them that, hey, you're flexible and you're willing to be creative to try to get some more money out of them. Network. If you're introverted, no one's ever going to know that you want more money. So go and talk to like-minded people. Figure out ways to also improve your knowledge and wherewithal by hanging out with people that are doing stuff that you're doing. And then thus, you're getting more knowledge. You become a subject matter expert. And you get more money. Research. Don't go in there winging it. Salary.com, pay scale. There's a bunch of websites now. Probably ChatGPT's salary information. Freelancer side hustle. If you know, hey, this is how much I make. I'm a union employee. There's 0 ways I'm going to get added benefit or added payments on top. Then maybe go and start a little side hustle. If you're an HVAC contractor and you're stuck at a journeyman wage, go and start a little mom and pop on the weekend HVAC side hustle and stack some cash on the side. Confidence. Have it. Finally, consider a career change. If you know you hate being an HVAC mechanic and you always want to be an astronaut, get your ass into space camp. Let's go!